the Yobadashi basement one where they have all the computer stuff. So here you have Apple, iPads, MacBooks, got everything here. And it's actually quite overwhelming. So yeah, so here are all the Apple stuff, iPads, Apple TV, right? Apple Watch, iPhones, right? And all these different watches, smart watches. So here we have all the laptops you can ever imagine. Just to give you a full scale of full view of everything that's in here, and this is just a fraction, right? So here I have the Windows, Microsoft Surface. I don't know what this is, right? So you have the Surface device from Microsoft. And so as you can see, all these displays, all these laptops, different manufacturers like Acer, Fujitsu, NEC, and we're just beginning. So here we have the Google devices, including the Google Pixel Fold, which is actually quite nice. I actually held it in my hand. It's really, really nice. And here we have Android devices, including Chromebooks, I think. Right? All these tablets. So here we have laptops from Asus. Okay, and oh, this is nice. ZenBook, 449,800 yen. That's a lot of money. But looks like they have more models right now with these dual screens. Okay, so more from Asus and ROG laptops. Right, so enough of these laptops. You can see more and more laptops here, right, from different manufacturers. Right. And here we have Chromebooks. So I'm intrigued by this one. This one's OLED, but it's not working at this time. Idea pads from Lenovo. More laptops from different vendors. Right. Here we have all-in-ones, I think. So all the models that you need to see, they're all here. And then you have printers. Then here you have keyboards from Logitech. All the keyboards you need. Right. And then here, what do we have here? Cameras, webcams. It's me over there. It's me. Okay, so all the webcams you need, right? They're expensive ones too. Okay, what else do we have here? Okay, I actually have no idea what these are. Looks like they're TV boxes. Okay, and then we have some smart home gadgets from SwitchBot. Moving on, we have all these speakers from JBL, from Creative, some edifier. On the other side here we have Google Home devices, the mini Chromecast, and we have these Nest hubs, I think. Right. Okay, let's move on. Alright, so we have here SSDs, all the SSDs we'll care for, including NVMe's and Corsair King Max SSDs. This is all the monitors. All the monitors. Even curved ones, gaming monitors. I'm gonna go crazy here. Look at all these monitors. So you can choose the monitor you want. Right? So here you have headsets from different brands. Again, keyboards. You have here desk monitor arms, game pads. This is a heaven for if you're a gamer. So again, you have all these gaming keyboards from Razer. Try them out. eSports. First time I've heard of the brand. More monitors. I'm gonna go crazy here. More keyboards. Right. Where else? So we have gamepads here. Xbox Elcom. Then maybe some generic brands that you can use with your PC. Just pair them with your Bluetooth. Again, we have your different mice. Different vendors. It's gonna go crazy. LAN cables. All the headsets you need. And here you have gaming chairs that you should try out. I'm gonna go crazy. Steel series. Gaming chairs, more gaming chairs. Okay. And Logitech steering wheels, race gear. Wow, crazy. Crazy, right? So more and more and more and more. It doesn't stop. It's like a simulation. Again, more Logitech stuff here. I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy with all of this stuff. So even the rare monitors, like I was looking at the MSI Meg 342C, is actually here. As you can see, this is QD OLED monitor. It's here on demo, right? Everything's here. It's like the mecca of all PC parts, accessories. So here you have all the G502 Logitech mice again. Here it's actually quite expensive. Electronics here in Japan, ironically, is quite expensive. So you have the Meta. Wow, this is great. I haven't tried this out. I want to try it out. The Meta goggles. the metaverse gear. Haven't had a chance to even try these out. I want to try them out. I don't have enough time. This is our last day. And I wish I had come here earlier. Some USB stuff, USB flash drives, more monitors that you can even think of. Here you have some Deco Wi-Fi. I think these are mesh routers. Wow. Wi-Fi 7. Oh, crazy. If you have the gear to actually any gear that has Wi-Fi 7 at this time. So these are speakers again. Here we have more monitors, ultra wide monitors from LG. This one's 34-inch. Wow, I like this. Wow, it's nice. So you can use for coding. More monitors. And these are portable ones. Portable monitors that you can use with your laptops on the go. You have all these variety to choose from, right? TVs. Wow. More to go. I'm not even done yet. Yobadashi. Crazy. 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 More mice. More mice. More mice. Okay, you have your trackpads. Right. How good are these? I mean, why are they expensive? I don't know. You have trackpads that are just really expensive. Mouse pads rather. So, felt desk mat. Where else? So all these keyboards. Keyboards. Okay, you have here tablet keyboards. Crazy. Some other stuff like printers. Accessories. Oh, they still have these DVDRs. Alright. Trash bins, shredders. Oh, what are these? Yeah, these are shredders. HDMI cables, I think? Oh, no, these are USB-C cables. Wow, really expensive. Okay, and then you have here LAN cables, 10 meters, so on. What else? Do you think I've circled everything? Maybe. I don't think so. To be honest, I haven't circled everything. I haven't gone through everything just yet. I'm just hurrying. So more Wi-Fi decos. Okay, Orbi. Wow, this is a monster. I wonder who'd buy this. Just to give you an idea. Imagine it's that big, right? And if I were to stay here the entire day, easily, if you're a game buff, if you're a PC buff, you'll be here half day. Easily. And I don't think you'll have enough time to actually finish everything. Right. Look at that. Anyway, this is Yobadashi Electronics Center, Camera Center, they say, but this is basement 1, right? This is huge. So yeah, um, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and like, so you can be updated with my latest travel videos. Yeah, thank you very much. Till the next time. Bye.